Is this the train to the desert moon? Was all she said. But until I heard that stranger's voice before, I turned to look into your eyes, but she moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry. The winter moon are memories in a tiny car. We stumble over words belong to me. We talk about the dreams we've lost or giving up. When the whistle golden down and the shock silence from our lives as the last rain rolled toward the moon. This summer night when we were young, we bragged of things we'd never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our hands to grow up to soon, we live our innocence on this moon. We were dreamers, only dreamers on this moon, on this moon, on this moon, this moon. The summer night, it echoes in the corners of my heart. The night we stood and waited for the desert train. All the words we meant to say, all the chances sweep away, still remain on the road to the dawn. To summer nights when we were young, we brought up there with them.